Stop whatever you're doing right now. You need to hear this, because what I'm about to say might be the wake-up call you've been avoiding for years. And I'm sure if you watch this video till the end, something inside you wakes up. A fire, a hunger, a decision to finally change the version of yourself that you've been stuck with for too long. Imagine if the world gave you just 1 year to change your life. Would you rise, or would you repeat the same excuses that destroyed your last year? Because here's the raw truth. 1 year is enough to break you, and 1 year is enough to rebuild you into someone unrecognizable. And if I had just a few minutes to speak to the entire world, I'd say this. Your life will change in the next 12 months, whether you're ready or not. Time isn't slowing down. Comfort isn't your friend. And your excuses, they're quietly killing the future you're dreaming about. But how your life changes, that part is in your hands. Every single day, you walk down one of two invisible paths. Path 1, the path of staying the same, safe, comfortable, predictable. Path 2, the path of growth, uncomfortable, disciplined, life-changing. And deep down, you already know you've been living on the first path for far too long. Here's the truth. Most people never want to admit nothing in your life will change just because you hope it will. Not books, not motivation, not this video. Only action changes you, and you don't need a massive plan. You don't need to fix your whole life at once. You don't need to be fearless. You only need one thing. Become just 1% better today, because 1% every day doesn't make you better. But next year, it makes you 36 times stronger, smarter, and more disciplined. The reason you keep quitting is simple. You're trying to change your entire life in 1 day. You're staring at the whole mountain instead of taking the next step. Real change is slow, silent, invisible, until one day people look at you and say, "Bro, what happened to you?" So imagine this. What if today was the first small step? What if tomorrow you took the next one? What if you finally stopped lying to yourself? What if this is the year you become the person you always said you'd be? Close your eyes for 5 minutes today. See your future self, the one who shows up daily, the one who doesn't break promises anymore, the one who finally says, "This time, I'm not quitting." And then you start, not next week, not next month, not when life becomes easier. You start today, because you can't change the beginning of your story, but you can completely rewrite the ending. A lot can happen in a year, more than you can imagine, but only if you begin right now. If this message pushed you even 1% forward, comment, "I'm starting today." And before you scroll, just remember this. The Inspire Path is still a small channel, but it's bigger than just a channel. Every big journey starts from zero, and one day we'll look back and see how far we came together. So if you felt even a little spark today, subscribe.